Our last bit about this solving quadratic equations graphically is this type of equation, which I believe you should be aware. Now we have this kind of equation. The equation is plot the graph of y equals to negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. Hence solve for negative 2x squared plus x plus 5 equals to 0. Now notice from this graph already I have been able to plot this graph. This is how it looks like. If I may just wish to zoom it out or reduce it. This is how this graph looks like basically. Now let's be able to solve it. Remember that the original equation is negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 6, and you want to solve negative 2x squared plus x plus 5 equals to 0. Now, what are we supposed to do here? First, of course, you need to see what values must you add or subtract to this equation that you've been asked to solve in order to get the original equation. So let's delve into the equation. This is the equation. Our original equation is y equals to negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 6. Now, this equation that we've been asked to solve, negative 2x squared plus x plus 5 equals 0, we can rearrange this equation by saying that 0 equals to negative 2x squared plus x plus 5. There is no difference. We have only said that instead of saying 0 is on your right hand side, it becomes on the left hand side. Now, how do we do that? Suppose we subtract, so that our y is the same as this, and this is 0, of course. 3x minus x is 2x, and 6 minus 5 is 1, so this is positive 1. So it is from this point that we are saying you need to solve the equation of y equals to 2x. So what are we supposed to do here? We need to solve, to plot the graph y equals to 2x plus 1. Solve that, so that where this line meets that quadratic equation, the original quadratic equation, then we will be able to get the values of corresponding values of x. So allow me to plot a graph of 2x plus 1, and that is the graph that I have just plotted. Let me reduce this so that we're able to see. So that is the graph of 2x plus 1. Let me just write it down. This graph is the one that we are saying is y equals to 2x plus 1. So what is the value of x at this point of intersection? So you are simply looking for the value of x at that particular point of intersection. And you can see from that graph, when I put this point here, the value of x will be negative 1.35. That's what we just say. You have to make this point perpendicular to reach this point there. So we are saying that will be negative. Our value of x equals to negative 1.35. We can also get the value of x at this point. So we need to get the value of x here, and we drop it perpendicularly again. I think it should be somewhere here. Yeah. So again, value of x is what? That point D. Value of x is 1.86. So again, we are saying here that our value of x equals to or 1.86. So just get that, so that you get the value of your value of x here and your value of x here. So basically, these are the points we are looking for, and this is the point. Just drop it down properly. This is the point we are looking for, and this will be the equation. I hope you have been able to get that point right, and of course with more practice you should be able to go through it. Thank you so much.